Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm showing you the design and proofing process for using the vehicle magnet template. So you should already have your artboard set up, and one thing that I did leave out on the first one is to do a Shift O to check the artboard size. If we do that, we are set at 12 by 18. So I apologize for leaving that step out. Artboard name's already set up, so now it's time to look at the design notes in Corebridge. So this says needs to say Joe's cabinet install 602-664-0782. Would like a picture of a guy actually doing the cabinet install if we could find one. So the first place that I checked was Unsplash, which is a royalty-free commercially used stock image site. Didn't really find anything, so I went over to Adobe Stock, searched cabinet install, found this one here. So during the proofing process, we aren't going to license the image until it's approved. So we're going to go ahead and right click and copy that image. And then we're going to come back over to our template and do a Control V and paste it in like so. And you can see that the guy is kind of on the right hand side. So I'm just going to enlarge the image so it fills the frame. And let's get it at the halfway point, so it's snapping to the halfway point there. And we could actually probably bring it down just a little bit. We'll bring it up a little bit. So guy is clearly installing the cabinet, so that part's good. Now we're going to come back over to Corebridge and we're going to copy the first portion, the Joe's cabinet installs. So go ahead and copy that. Come back over, we're going to hit T for the type tool, and we're going to paste it in. And so I don't have any information on logo or brand guidelines for Joe's cabinet install. So we are just going to change the font to Helvetica, and we're going to do Helvetica Black. And so we'll break it down. Joe's cabinet install, we will center justify it and go ahead and make it nice and big. And we'll go ahead and center that on there. That looks good. Now we're going to copy the phone number from Corebridge. I'm not going to move the camera to show you, but we'll just go ahead and copy it. I'm going to hold down Alt and drag to copy that, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the phone number, and we'll format it properly, throwing in some dashes, and we'll go ahead and shrink this down so it fits. And now we'll just get some decent looking spacing here. So based on the information that was provided, this is essentially what the customer is looking for, or we'll find out once it proofs out. So what we're going to do now is, since we already have our artboard naming convention set up, all we're going to do is Control-Alt-E to export for screens. We're going to make sure our artboard's selected. Now we're going to choose the destination to which it's saved. So we're going to click this folder icon, and we're going to go to CB orders and 10398, which is the order, so that doesn't exist. The folder doesn't exist yet, so we're going to right click and copy our new order folder and paste it in. Once it's pasted in, we're going to type in the order number 10398. Go ahead and click into it. Oops. Windows has been acting kind of funky, so it did create. So we'll go ahead and click into it, go into work files, select folder, and now we need a PDF and a JPEG. So the PDF is already there, JPEG is not, so we're going to add scale, JPEG 100, delete the suffix out of there, and then we're going to set the width to 2400 pixels, and then hit export artboard. Once that exports, we're going to come back over to Corebridge and we're going to upload the proof, which is choose file and 10398 work files, and we're going to upload the JPEG. Go ahead and hit upload. And now if we had additional products, we wouldn't send out the proof notification yet, but this is the only one in here, so we're going to choose the product status to awaiting proof approval. And we can see that the salesperson is Barbara, so now we're going to hit the mail icon and we're going to CC Barbara. So if you start typing in her name, it will populate. And at that point you hit send. And now we wait for either design revision or proof approved on this. Thanks for watching.